Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make knotless braid. If you're a beginner or you're struggling with knotless braid, okay, how to achieve knotless braid, this video is for you. And don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, and share this video, okay? Then first thing you will do is to make sure your hair is well detangled, okay? Because this is an afro hair, okay? And I've detangled the hair before now, and I went in with my styling gel, okay? And don't forget not to over add styling gel, okay? What do I mean? The styling gel you applying, do not over add, because when you over add, the styling gel is not really going to come out well, okay? I will leave a link to the video of the product I use depending on the hair type. Okay, then you watch it, then you can understand the gel I'm using. Okay, then your pattern is one thing that you cannot overlook when you want to make any hairstyle. Make sure your hand is straight, your hand is firm. Okay, you use the styling gel to define your pattern. You can see the hair is well detangled. There is no tangle anywhere around the hair, because if the hair is tangled, it's going to, disturb your braiding process. Okay, you can see the way I parted the hair into three. All right, make sure your hand is firm, and I twisted it. You can see the way I twisted it. Here, my hand is firm, and I'm holding the hair tight and firm. Okay, then I will start adding my extension, adding the braiding hair. Okay, you can see the way I added it, and I will braid. Okay, let me show you guys again. Watch closely. I will add, and I will use my hand to grab the hair. Okay, you can see the hair is well secured there. Look at the way I added it, and I will braid. Okay, I'll be adding like 4 braiding hair to this hair, then I'll start braiding it down. Look at the next one. I'll be adding, just watch closely. All right, then I will break down. Remember, you have to keep practicing. You have to keep practicing, okay? And as you practice, you get better. All right, you can see the way I added it, and I'll start braiding. You can see the base of this hair is well secured and firm, okay? It did not bend. No, it's just beautiful. And look at the way I just turn my hand, then I'll start braiding down the hair. And while you're braiding the hair, make sure you are using the braiding hair, the extension, to cover the natural hair. This will make the hair to last and the hair to look neat and beautiful. Okay, just like I said before, make sure your hair is where the hair you are trying to braid is well detangled, because if it's not detangled, by the time you start doing this, you're going to find it difficult, and the hair will just have some lumps around it, and it will not look neat. You can see the base is just flawless. Okay, no complaint, no issues. You can see the way the hair is looking. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you did find this video helpful, please subscribe, and I will see you in my